Welcome to the second session. Now, see that previous question. Cot inverse of 2 cancel, 1 cos also cancel. So remaining what is that? Integration cot inverse cot of pi by 4 plus x by 2. Here observe that cot inverse is going to cancel. Remaining integration pi by 4 plus x by 2 dx. Pi by 4 is constant. So integration 1 dx x plus 1 by 2 into integration x dx x square by 2 plus c. Now by observing the options, calculate. So the answer is pi x by 4 plus x square by 4 plus c. This is answer. So second option is correct.
Option 2.
So denominator rationalize that and numerator will come x plus a whole power 1 by 2 minus x plus b whole power 1 by 2. Denominator a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, square root cancel, and x minus x is going to cancel. You will get a minus b, send outside. Then apply the integration. Integration x plus a whole power 1 by 2 means that is x plus a whole power 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2. So a power 3 by 2 formula, that is a root a. So finally, after calculation, we got third option is correct. Integration 1 plus tan x tan of x plus alpha dx. Here tan of alpha, that is equal to tan of, this is x plus alpha minus x.
Minus x.
So we can write like this. CMPLDR. What is the meaning of that? So this is tan A minus B formula. Apply that. Tan A minus tan B
1 plus tan A into tan B.
divided by 1 plus tan A tan B x minus alpha into tan x. Now take the
Plus
cross.
alpha, sir.
Okay, correct. Now take the cross multiplication. 1 plus tan of x plus alpha into tan x is equal to, and tan alpha send right hand side is going to denominator. 1 by tan alpha means that is cot alpha into tan of x minus alpha. This is not x minus, sorry, x plus minus tan x. Minus tan x. Students, are you understood now? So in place of that, I am going to replace integration 1 plus tan x into tan x plus alpha dx. In place of that, I am going to replace cot alpha into tan of x plus alpha minus tan x into dx. So cot alpha is constant, take outside. Now, integration of tan of x plus alpha. There are two types of formulas.
Log secant x alpha plus alpha.
Log secant. But see the options. There is no secant. There is no secant. Write another formula. Minus log mod
minus log cos alpha.
cos of x plus alpha. Here already minus is there. Minus into minus plus log mod cos x. Now this is in the form of log a minus log b. Log a minus
Option
log
3.
b. Log a by b.
Log A by B.
So here log a means cos x. B means cos of x plus alpha. Are you understood how we are applying the formula? For suppose one function having two types of formulas means observe the options, then apply the formula. So which option is correct? Third option. Third option is correct. Again in the numerator.
minus sin square theta.
So this is cos square x minus sin square x. 2 take outside. Cos square theta minus sin square theta formula. Cos 2 theta.
Cos 2 theta.
Cos 2 theta.
Right. Now this is 2 into integration cos 2x. What is integration cos 2x?
Sin 2x by 2.
Sin 2x divided by 2 plus c. So 2 cancel. Overall answer is sin 2x plus c.
Option 1.
So first option is correct. And one of the student he told that multiply and divide with cos x plus sin x. That is also correct. Now who are completed, go to the 12th question. This is also easy, but some calculation.
Take x common in the numerator.
Okay, 1 plus x is it. I am writing root 1 plus x whole square plus, here take x common, that will come root x into root 1 plus x divided by root x plus root 1 plus x dx. Hello, who is that? Please mute yourself. Mute yourself. And numerator, take common root 1 plus x.
Root 1 plus x common.
Root 1 plus x common. Remaining is root 1 plus x plus root x divided by root x plus root 1 plus x. Now observe here, numerator and denominator, those term is going to cancel. Remaining is integration 1 plus x whole power 1 by 2 dx. Then what is the formula? 1 plus x whole power 3 by 2 divided by 3
By
by
3 by 2.
plus c. Now denominator 3 by 2 send numerator, you will get like this, 2 by 3 1 plus x whole power 3 by 2 plus c. This is the answer. So which option is correct? Second option is correct.
Second, sir.
X root x means we can write x power 3 by 2 minus 1. That is converting into a cube minus b cube form. Just we are applied that a cube minus b cube formula. A minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Numerator denominator is cancelled. Remaining term just apply the integration. We got like this. In the question already given answer. By comparing both a value, b value, c value we got. Write in ascending order. So a, b, c is the ascending order. Hello, please mute yourself. Whenever is required, unmute. Students, go to the 14th question. How to do that? 14th question. So
In the numerator,
numerator e
Multiple.
power x is there. I am writing e power x by 2 into e power x by 2. And denominator e power x by 2 minus 1 dx. Here e power x by 2 minus 1. Take some constant t, some function t. Apply the differentiation on both sides. E power x by 2 differentiation, e power x by 2. And the power internal derivative, x by 2 derivative is 1 by 2 dx is equal to dt. Now e power x by 2 dx, that is equal to 2 dt.
dt.
Now go to the question. Here one more e power x by 2 is there.
2 ln t.
So this is, observe that e power x by 2 means t plus 1 or not? T plus 1 into e power x by 2 dx means that is 2 dt, and denominator e power x by 2 minus 1, that
By
is
t.
t. That is t. Now 2 take outside, integration t by t 1 plus 1 by t dt. Now apply the integration. 2 into integration 1 dt t plus integration 1 by t dt, that is log t, log modulus t plus c. Now substitute the t value. T means e power x by 2 minus 1 plus logarithm of modulus e power x by 2 minus 1 plus c. This is the final answer. Now, which option is correct? So I am expecting that
First option, sir.
first option is correct. First option, second option looking same like that, but 2 is missing. Fifteenth question. They are given question like this: integration, split that x by root 1 minus 9x square plus arc cos 3x. Arc cos means that is cos inverse.
Cos inverse.
Cos inverse of 3x whole square divided by under root 1 minus 9x square whole dx. Now observe the first term. We know that formula, integration f dash of x by root f of x. What is the formula? That is 2 root f of x plus c. But 1 minus 9x square differentiation, what? Minus 18x. But here minus 18 is not there. So do one thing. Divide minus 18 and multiply minus 80 divided by under root 1 minus 9x square. So first term is completed. We are converted in the formula of like this. Second term, how to do that? Second term, how to do that? So take here, let cos inverse
Inverse
of
3x equal to
3x
t.
is equal to t. Derivative of cos inverse 3x minus 1 by under root 1 minus 3x whole square mean that is 9x square. Internal derivative 3 dx, that is equal to dt. But here 3 is not there, minus also not there. So overall 1 by under root 1 minus 9x square dx, that is equal to minus dt by 3. Students, are you understood? Now this is, I am writing integration t square into minus dt by 3. Okay. Now, the first term minus 1 by 18 integration f dash of x by root f of x means, that is formula 2 root f of x, 2 root 1 minus 9x square minus 1 by 3 t square dt, that is t cube divided by 3 plus c. Here 2 9s are 18. Take that minus 1 by 9 common in both the terms. First term is remaining part 1 minus 9x square plus second term only t cube. T cube means t cos inverse of 3x whole cube plus c. Cos inverse means they are written arc cos. Both are same. Students, tell me which option is correct.
Option 1.
Option 1 is correct.
Yes, sir.
So first you want to get this thought. Which value want to take t? That is important here.